Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to add VS Code to GitHub step by step. First, open your project folder in v.s code. Go to File in the top menu, then click Open Folder, select the folder with the files you want to publish, and click Open. You'll see your project files appear in the Explorer sidebar on the left. Next, we need to initialize Git. Click the source control icon in the left sidebar. It's the one that looks like three dots branching out. If v.s code prompts you to install Git, follow that flow first. Now let's stage your files. In the source control view, you'll see your files listed under Changes. Modified files show an M next to them, and new files show a U for untracked. To stage everything, click the plus icon next to the Changes header. The files will move to the Stage Changes section. Time to create your first commit. At the top of the source control view, you'll see a text box. Type a commit message that describes your changes. Something like initial commit works for your first one. Then click the checkmark button just above the text box to commit. The staged files will disappear from the list once the commit goes through. Now, click the Publish to GitHub button in the source control view. A pop-up will appear asking if you want to allow the GitHub extension to sign in. Click Allow. Your browser will open for GitHub authentication. If you're not already signed into GitHub, sign in now. You'll see a page to authorize VS Code's access to your GitHub account. Click the button to authorize the connection. The browser may show a success message and prompt you to return to VS Code. Back in VS Code, a drop-down menu will appear at the top of the screen. Choose whether you want the repository to be public or private. Public means anyone can see it. Private means only you, and people you invite can access it. You might see a prompt to review or edit the repository name. VS Code usually defaults to your folder name, but you might be able to edit it if needed. Once you confirm, the publish process completes. You'll see a notification in the bottom right corner. Click Open on GitHub if you want to view the new repository in your browser. For future changes, just go to Source Control, stage your files, type a commit message, and click the drop-down arrow next to Commit. Choose Commit and push to send your changes straight to GitHub in one step. The M and U symbols next to files will help you spot what's changed since your last commit. And that's everything you need to do. Thanks for watching.